Hi guys, my name is Onya. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about the habit of confidence. This is inspired by a book that I'm currently reading by Brandon Butchert. So today I will share things that you can do to fuel your confidence. Okay, so confidence is not something you are born with or without. It is like a muscle that you need to train each and every day. So when you lack confidence, you might miss out on a lot of things in life. This reminds me of my very first interview in one of the biggest companies here in South Africa, where I was interviewed by 7 people, and I don't even remember some of the questions that I was asked because I was so nervous. I was so scared. I was qualified for that role, but I did not get it because I was scared and I did not show them that I believe in myself. So having confidence is really going to help you in life, and it will allow you to not miss out on great opportunities like I did in the past. Okay? Yes. So first of all, you need to know that it is okay to have doubts about some things in life, but when you have doubts about chasing your goals, you need to know that it is okay, and it is not a signal for you to stop, but it should be a fuel to move you forward. And also you need to ask yourself, where is this doubt coming from? Whose voice am I hearing right now? Is it a parent who did not believe in you, or is it a primary school teacher who did not believe in you, or is it a jealous friend, or whoever it is? Ask yourself, who am I hearing right now? Who is doubting me? And if it's yourself, that is fine. You need to acknowledge that and find ways to move forward from that. And if it's not you, it's someone else, you need to ask yourself which event is triggering. Okay, what is triggered right now? Because you will notice that it is not something that is happening right now, but it is something that has happened in the past that is being triggered. Okay, and here are the things you can do to fuel your confidence. So the first one is you need to have clarity. You need to know, who are you, what skills do you have, and what skills do you need to develop, and who can assist you to develop those skills. So have clarity, know who you are, know what you bring to the table. Okay. Number two, you need to learn to take your L's and learn from them. Stop being shameful of your mistakes, and know that making mistakes is part of being a human being, and that is how we learn and grow in life. So acknowledge your L's and try to learn from them. Okay? And then number three is you need to learn to ask yourself, how can I assist in this situation? How can I be of service? Instead of focusing on yourself and your insecurities, ask yourself, how can I help? How can I make someone's day better? Stop focusing on yourself and focus on something you can bring, something you can help with, and that will boost your confidence also so much. And okay, and then I think this is the most important one when it comes to confidence. You need to do repetition. Sometimes it is not that you're not confident in something, it's just that you have not done it enough. So keep doing what you are doing. Whoa. Okay, another one that I think is very important is a repetition. So you need to keep doing something until it becomes familiar to you. It is not that you don't know something, it's just that sometimes you have not done enough. So practice and keep trying and keep trying and keep trying until you are familiar with a certain task, and you'll see that the more familiar you are with something, the more confident you become in that thing. So repetition is key. Repeat, 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 repeat. Okay. Okay, and then you need to know that confidence comes from trusting yourself. It comes from following through from the plans that you have made. So if you've made a promise to yourself, follow through on that. And if you don't, be kind to yourself. Okay, if you tell yourself that I'm going to do something and you don't do it, don't insult yourself, don't be too harsh on yourself, be kind to yourself, treat yourself like your best friend. But it is very important for you to build confidence in yourself, to follow up on your promises. If you say you'll do something, do it. If you can't do whatever, then you need to find out who can assist you, who can help you in this. And also you need to level up on your mentors. When it comes to mentors, those are people that encourage you, those are people that keep you going when you lose your hope or when you don't want to keep chasing your dream. And you need to know that mentors are not people that you need to meet with physically every day. You can just look at someone online and just follow them and see what do they do and how do they achieve, and also read books about biographies, and you'll see that most people, even though we only see their success, they've been through the most, and that will motivate you to keep going when times are tough. So level up on your motivation and find people around you that can assist you in achieving your goals. Okay, I hope this has been informative, and please come back next week and also check out my playlist for more similar videos. And until next time, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.